Korea fired what appeared to be multiple short-range ballistic missiles on Wednesday, South Korea's military said, a week ahead of a key Asia-Pacific leaders meeting in South Korea. It was the first launch of ballistic missiles since May by Pyongyang, which has defied an international ban backed by the US and South Korea on such weapons development. The North's latest test follows short-range ballistic and cruise missile launches on May 8 and May 22. This marks its fifth ballistic missile launch of 2025. South Korean President Lee Jae-myung and US President Donald Trump are expected to meet in South Korea next week at a summit meeting of the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Forum. Trump is also expected to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping. South Korea detected several projectiles believed to be short-range ballistic missiles fired from an area near North Korea's capital, Pyongyang, in a northeasterly direction early on Wednesday, its Joint Chiefs of Staff said in a statement. South Korea's military said it had detected movements ahead of the launch, then tracked the projectiles after they were fired and flew about 350 kilometers, 217 miles, the military said. The missiles appeared to have fallen inland, a military official separately said. South Korea was sharing information about the launch with the US and Japan, the military said. South Korea's presidential office convened an emergency security meeting that military officials also attended, and the president was briefed on the launch. Japan's new Prime Minister Sonai Takaichi said there was no impact on Japan's security from the North Korean missile launch, and Tokyo was sharing real-time information with the US.
Japan and the United States are working closely, sharing the missile warning data in real time, and we are taking all possible measures to ensure a thorough response. The government is aware of the latest missile launch. So far no damage has been confirmed within our territory or exclusive economic zone, and no damage has been reported from relevant authorities. North Korea has consistently demonstrated its intention to enhance its nuclear and missile capabilities. Its repeated launches of ballistic missiles and related activities pose a serious threat to the peace and security of Japan, the region, and the international community. In order to protect the people of Japan, the Takaichi administration would like to continue working closely with the United States and South Korea, doing our utmost to gather and analyze necessary information as well as monitor the situation.
North Korea last launched ballistic missiles on May 8 when it fired multiple short-range missiles from its east coast. Nuclear-armed North Korea has steadily upgraded its missile capabilities over the past decade, defying multiple United Nations sanctions, having test-launched long-range ballistic missiles with potential ranges to strike the U.S. mainland if fired at a trajectory calibrated for that purpose. North Korea showcased its latest intercontinental ballistic missile this month at a parade attended by the Chinese premier.